Hello, I just had my real estate education and apartment investing. Hi, I'm Ria, and today's topic would be terminology used in apartment syndication by Joe Fairless. And we're on to our last terminology, which would be the V and the Y terminology. So number one, vacancy loss. It's an income loss due to vacancy. Second word is vacancy rate expressed as a percentage. The formula is total number of vacant units divided by your total number of apartment units multiplied by 100 to get to a percentage. Third word is value add. It's a stabilized apartment and the occupancy is more than 85% and the opportunity to improve the apartment by adding value, either interior or exterior renovations. Fourth word is yield maintenance. This is the penalty paid by the borrower if the loan is paid off early. So those are my lessons learned. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also download a free section of my book, Apartment Prescription, down in the link below. Take care and God bless.